Good morning, I'm Sagarika Mitra and you're watching Science Now. Viewers, nearly 3 weeks ago, NASA sent one of our own, Group Captain Shubhangshu Shukla, to the International Space Station, making him the first Indian to do so and only the second Indian in space. Nearly 3 weeks later, Shubhangshu is all set to return home. The spacecraft is set in just a few hours from now, and the procedure is expected to take place at around 4:35 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Just a few hours earlier, a farewell ceremony was held on board the International Space Station, where the ISS crew bid adieu to the Axiom 4 mission crew, including Shubhangshu Shukla. Ahead of the undocking procedure, Shubhangshu reiterated Rakesh Sharma's iconic words from his 1984 Space Odyssey. He says, from space, India still looks Sare Jahan Se Acha.
It has been an incredible journey. I did not imagine all this when I started on Falcon 9 on 25th. And I think it has been made amazing or incredible because of the people who are involved. The team that is standing behind me, you guys have made it really special for us being here on the station. And it was an incredible joy to be here and working alongside with a bunch of professionals like you. Over the past 2.5 weeks or so, we have done a lot of science on the station. We have done outreach activities and also looked back at the Earth. Whatever time we found, we were always looking out the window, and it almost seems magical to me. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank my country and all their citizens for supporting this mission and me with all their hearts. And I would like to thank ISRO for making this happen, all the colleagues at ISRO who have worked tirelessly in developing all the protocols, the science and the outreach activities, the researchers back in India, the students who developed the outreach items that I carried. I would also like to thank NASA and its international partners, Axiom Space, SpaceX, for ensuring that we were trained adequately well and providing all the support round the clock and all the people who were sitting on ground supporting this mission, making it extremely successful. These missions have much far-reaching implications beyond science, and that is what I believe that this mission would also do in all of our respective countries as well. Going back from here, I carry with me a lot of memories and the learnings out of this mission that I would try and spread back. But the one thing that really sticks to me is what humanity is capable of when all of us come together from different parts of the world and work for a common goal or a common objective. It is truly incredible. So thank you everyone. अब कुछ शब्द देशवासियों के लिए हिंदी में. कमाल की यात्रा रही मेरी, लेकिन अब जैसे मेरी ये यात्रा खत्म होने वाली है, आपकी और मेरी यात्रा अभी बहुत लंबी है. हमारी ह्यूमन स्पेस मिशन की जो यात्रा है वो बहुत लंबी है और बहुत कठिन भी है, लेकिन मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि अगर हम निश्चय कर लें तो तारा अपि प्राप्यन्ते, इवन स्टार्स आर अटेनेबल. 41 साल पहले कोई भारतीय अंतरिक्ष में गए थे और उन्होंने बताया था कि ऊपर से भारत कैसा दिखता है. और कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि हम सब ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आज भारत कैसा दिखता है. मैं आपको बताता हूं, आज का भारत स्पेस से महत्वाकांक्षी दिखता है. आज का भारत निर्भय दिखता है. आज का भारत कॉन्फिडेंट दिखता है. आज का भारत गर्व से पूर्ण दिखता है. और इन्हीं सब कारणों की वजह से मैं फिर से कह सकता हूं कि आज का भारत अभी भी सारे जहां से अच्छा दिखता है. जल्दी धरती पर मुलाकात करते हैं. धन्यवाद.
Beautiful message, so inspiring, talking about how India looks like from space and also echoing, Sare Jahan Se Acha, the iconic words of Rakesh Sharma. Now, Adib, you are at Shubhangshu Shukla's home. This is going to be a homecoming like no other. The entire city of Lucknow is so proud of their hero. The entire country is proud of Shubhangshu Shukla. But you are there. Tell us about what the mood is like. What has the family been telling you? Take us through what you're seeing around you right now.
Well, definitely, Sagrika, see a beautiful message by Shubhangshu Shukla from the International Space Station, and right now we are right outside his residence in Lucknow. His family currently is holding prayers. They have been continuously praying for the success of mission of Shubhanshu. They have been continuously praying, and they are very excited, and they are saying that today as the undocking process is going to start, they're going to stick to the televisions so that they can watch the live streaming of the undocking process, and they are very hopeful that as the journey of Shubhanshu, when he reached space, it was smoothless, and once again it will be a very smooth journey for Shubhanshu when he's going to come back to India, when the undocking process will start, and when the splashdown will begin tomorrow at around 3 p.m. as per the Indian Standard Time. So you can see all these posters that have been placed right outside the Shubhanshu Shukla's residence from day one. These posters have been here, and in fact we will just see if the family has finished with their prayers, so we can also get a quick word with the family members of Shubhanshu Shukla who have been continuously monitoring the situation. They have been continuously praying for the success of mission, and in fact the family members, they are still praying right now. So Shubhanshu has been in his space almost 3 weeks. His family members, they were very excited. In fact, in his school also, the live streaming of the space mission was...
If you could once again walk up to that cutout of Shubhanshu that's placed right outside his house there, you know, it also goes on to show the kind of pride and the kind of inspiration he is to, you know, everyone around him. The posters you were showing, but that cutout is very significant. Just go up to that and show that to our viewers once again, please.
Well, definitely, Sagrika, see, there's one cutout right over here. This is the cutout of Shubhanshu Shukla with his call sign name Shuks, the insignia of his Indian flag, and also which says the India's first astronaut. So, and this cutout, Sagrika, is an inspiration to lakhs and crores of people of Lucknow who have been coming here to Shubhanshu's residence over these past 3 weeks. What the family has been telling, that most of the people, those who come to visit their family, they always take a picture with this particular cutout of Shubhanshu. This particular cutout is the motivation for the generations to come, telling that how dreams can be achieved, and Shubhanshu has created history by becoming the first Indian astronaut to reach the International Space Station. And once again, this cutout, as you can see in the visual, and in fact they got several of the stickers also made that they have placed on their vehicles. So whenever the family moves out in the city, people of Lucknow, whoever goes through these vehicles, they can see about Shubhanshu, that on this vehicle you can see India's first astronaut to ISS, Shubhanshu Shukla. So they have these small stickers also placed on their vehicles, telling the people of Lucknow that yes, Shubhanshu from Lucknow has...
Speak to us, Adib, and as you actually get us these pictures from Shubhanshu Shukla's residence for the family, they are right now praying. These are anxious moments. If you remember, you know, when the mission had started, the pictures that we saw of his parents, you know, with their fingers crossed, with tears in their eyes, the parents so overwhelmed in that very moment. And now, as that incredible journey concludes, Shubhanshu is set for his homecoming. What are his parents feeling like? What is going on in their mind? Let's listen in.
14 जुलाई को ग्रुप कैप्टन शुभांशु शुक्ला स्पेस से वापस पृथ्वी पर लौटेंगे। इस वक्त हम उनके घर में हैं, उनके माता पिता हमारे साथ हैं और इनसे बात कर सुनने की कोशिश करें कि आखिर इतने लंबे वक्त तक जो है इंतजार रहा, कितनी बेताबी है, किस तरह से इंतजार है। एक लंबा वक्त हो गया शुभांशु को स्पेस में गए हुए, किस तरह से इंतजार कर रहे हैं आप लोग, कितना बेताबी है उसको लेकर कि वापस लौट रहे हैं 14 जुलाई को वो?
अब इंतजार भाई, बच्चा 1 घंटे के लिए कहीं देर हो जाती है तो माँ बाप परेशान होते हैं, मेरा बच्चा कहाँ गया। हमारा तो बच्चा 17 दिन से ऊपर है, तो सभी से इंतजार तो बेसब्री से हो ही रहा है कि कब आवे, जल्दी से आवे। मगर देखो कब मिलता है हमको देखने को। सबसे बड़ा सवाल तो ये है अभी कि कब मिलते हैं, कहाँ मिलते हैं, ये अभी कुछ पता नहीं है।
कुछ तैयारियां और कर रही है, कुछ प्लान किया है कि बेटा जब वापस आएगा तो क्या करेंगे, कैसे तैयारियां होंगी, क्या कुछ प्लान है?
अभी तो कुछ ऐसा तैयारी नहीं, प्लान कुछ नहीं है। बस जब आने का कुछ खबर मिलेगी तब तैयारी करेंगे। अभी तो आने की ही कोई खबर नहीं है लखनऊ।
कुछ जानकारी मिली कब तक आएंगे, क्या होगा, क्या कुछ बातचीत हुई है, कुछ क्या?
नहीं, यही था कि 14 को वहाँ अनडॉकिंग होगी, 15 को शायद वापसी है उनको। 15 के बाद हफ्ते भर लगभग वो वहाँ मेडिकली लगभग रहेंगे। इसके बाद कुछ डिसाइड होगा उनका कहाँ आ रहे हैं कहाँ नहीं है। अगर वो लखनऊ आने का प्रोग्राम बनता है तो हम लोग बिल्कुल तैयारी करेंगे और जुटेंगे, बिल्कुल तैयारी से अच्छी तरह तैयारी करके और अच्छे तरह स्वागत करेंगे। बिल्कुल बेटे जो है हमारे इतना गौरव हम लोगों को महसूस कराया है उस बेटे ने, तो सभी हमारी त्रिवेणी नगर की जनता जितनी है सब लगी उसमें।
सभी खुश भी है।
सभी खुश हैं, सभी खुश हैं। हाँ, सभी को और सभी का आशीर्वाद है बच्चों पर हमारे जो है।
So before you heard that soundbite of Shubhangshu's father, Adib was at his residence. The family was at that point of time, they were in their prayers. Let me go across to Adib. Adib, you're with the family right now. Moments to go for the undocking. Talk to them. You know, the entire country wants to listen to them. Our prayers and best wishes with Shubhangshu and the family as well. Over to you, Adib.
Sagrika, see, we are joined by Mr. Shambhu Shukla, father of Shubhanshu Shukla. अंकल, आप लोग आज सुबह से ही प्रार्थनाओं में लगे हुए हैं, लगातार 3 हफ्ते आप लोग के प्रार्थनाओं में ही बीता। कैसा पल ये महसूस कर रहे हैं जब आज अनडॉकिंग की प्रोसेस शुरू होगी, शुभांशु की वापसी होगी, वापस आएंगे, कितना खुशी का पल है आप लोग के लिए और कैसे ये 3 हफ्ते आप लोग के बीते?
नहीं, 3 हफ्ते तो बूते करते रहे हम लोग, सब कुछ ऊपर वाले से कृपा मांगते रहे कि मतलब वो जो बच्चे पर कृपा रखे है और उसको सही सलामत जो है सब मिशन पूरा हो। और यही आज तो खैर भोलेनाथ के मंदिर में सावन का पहला सोमवार है, मंदिर में जाकर हमसे प्रार्थना की, घर में भी पूजा अपना किया है हम लोगों ने। और हम लोग सकुशल वापसी के लिए ही भगवान से जो है प्रार्थना करते हैं कि उनको जो है आशीर्वाद प्रदान करें, तो जिससे उसका जो है मिशन अच्छी तरह पूरा हो।
शुभांशु का एक मैसेज स्पेस से आया है। शुभांशु कह रहे हैं कि 41 साल पहले कहा गया था कि भारत जो है वो सारे जहां से अच्छा, और आज मैं फिर कह सकता हूं कि भारत जो है वो अभी भी सारे जहां से अच्छा है। कितना पावरफुल मैसेज आप समझते हैं शुभांशु की ओर से?
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा मैसेज है। भारत तो वैसे भी अब तो इस समय जो है सारे जहां से अच्छा है, सभी कुछ है यहाँ पर। ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि जो भारत में हो। भारत हमारा जो है गर्व है हमारे लिए, देश में भारत में रहते हैं, ये हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है। और हम लोग जो है भारत के ही लिए जीते हैं और मरते हैं, उसी की उसमें सेवा में जो भी होता है वो करने की सोचते हैं, वही करते हैं।
ये जो 3 हफ्ते थे, कई लोग से मिलने आए, कई लोग आप लोग से मुलाकात हुई, क्या लगा कि शुभांशु की जो जर्नी है ये कई लोगों के लिए, आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए एक इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी है? कितने लोगों को मोटिवेट कर पाए शुभांशु अपने इस स्पेस प्रोग्राम से?
नई पीढ़ी के लिए तो ये बहुत ही बड़ी मोटिव करने वाली, मतलब जो है बच्चों को जो है अच्छा मैसेज देगी और अच्छा जो है उनके लिए संदेश है कि वो बच्चे को जो है अपने मतलब जो है करियर के लिए जो अच्छी मेहनत करके अच्छे उसमें जो है चयन करें, जहाँ भी उनका चयन होता है वो अच्छे से अच्छा करें, जिसमें जो क्वालिटी जो है उसी से क्वालिटी मेंटेन होगी और देश का भी उन्नत होगी। जब बच्चे उन्नत करेंगे तो देश भी उन्नत करेगा। सभी को उसी पर डिपेंड करता है कि नई पीढ़ी जो है जितना उन्नत करेगी, देश उतना ही उन्नत करेगा।
अब आज अनडॉकिंग से लेके कल के स्प्लैश डाउन तक आप लोग का समय कैसे बीतने वाला है? क्या कुछ आप लोग ने प्लान किया है शुभांशु के लिए? जब वापस आते हैं किस तरह से आप लोग खुशियां मनाने वाले हैं? जब वो वहाँ पे रिहाब प्रोग्राम में भी रहते हैं, किस तरह से आप लोग अपना वो टाइम आप बिताएंगे? आप लोग,
अब हम लोग तो पूरा परिवार सब इकट्ठा होकर जो है उसकी वापसी के लिए जो है तैयारी कर रहे हैं कि मतलब वो वापस आता है तो हम लोग खुशी मनाएंगे। अब ये वो वहाँ वापस आएंगे, हम लोग खुशी यहाँ मनाएंगे कि वो उनका सक्सेसफुल मिशन पूरा हुआ। ये हमारे लिए बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है और बड़े मतलब सुकून की बात है कि मतलब उसका सक्सेसफुल ये पूरा हो जाए और हम जो है उसी की खुशी मनाएंगे। कल आज से कल तक पूरा जो है वही उत्सव का माहौल रहेगा। हम लोगों में सभी में पूजा पाठ में लीन रहेंगे, सब कुछ अपना वही ध्यान लगाएंगे ईश्वर से कि मतलब वो सक्सेसफुल वापसी कराए।
So, Sakri, you heard Mr. Shambhu Shukla. He is the father of Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, and he says that he's going to spend his time in prayers. And yes, Shubhanshu's life, Shubhanshu's journey is going to inspire millions to come, and the next generation will get its
Utsav ka
inspiration
mahal,
from
the fact that they're saying this is going to be a momentous day for the family, it only goes on to, you know, inspire the entire country. And for us, this entire journey has been one of learning for a lot of space enthusiasts, for the youth. We also trusted to talk to his mother, to find out, what is she planning for a mother when the son comes back from such a momentous journey? What is that moment going to be like? But in just a few hours from now, viewers, the Dragon spacecraft will undock from the International Space Station. We'll tell you about it. But before that, let me go across to consulting editor Srinjoy Chaudhary, who's joining us on the broadcast. Srinjoy, from 1984 to 2025, if there is one message that's echoing from space, that is Jahan Se Acha, and Shubhangshu echoed, the words of an icon. You've spoken to Rakesh Sharma multiple times, but when you hear that message and the fact that, a young space hero talks about what India looks like, gives out that message of pride, gives out that message of how a confident India looks like today, what do you think it symbolizes?
He spoke about a confident India, and India is increasingly confident. And he repeated Rakesh Sharma's words, Sare Jahan Se Acha. But it must be said that while he's coming back, this is not an end, this is a beginning. Because the Prime Minister has spoken about two major issues. First, there will be an Indian on the moon. That's something that should be remembered, and we can all look forward to it. Equally important, there has been talk about an international space station, an Indian international space station. If China, and Japan and Canada and America and Russia can work together and a space station, why can't India? And an Indian space station will happen in the future.
Absolutely.
There'll be an Indian
and that's
on the
the
moon.
target that the country has set. Thank you so much for putting that into perspective. But viewers, we have to take a break. But before that, I want to leave you with some pictures, and this definitely will bring a smile on your face. A picture of a time lapse. Take a look, and we'll come back with more news and updates.